With the Car and Driver Minio Pro Dashcam, you're able to document your time on the road with a quick and easy setup. Using 1080p high-definition videos and photo recording, you can drive with confidence, knowing that any mishaps you encounter are on the books. The Minio Pro Dashcam starts recording as soon as it's plugged in, and with both a suction and adhesive mount, you can choose the best place for your camera. All the settings and footage playback can be controlled on the app, and with the loop recording function, there will be no interruptions or breaks to the camera's video recording. When location and speed are just as important as photographic evidence, the Dashcam has you covered, with a built-in GPS system that makes it easy to track your whereabouts and speed. Simply wave your hand under the bottom of the device to take a picture. And no matter what time of day, the Minio Pro's night vision technology makes it possible to record in nearly any environment. Choose the Car and Driver Minio Pro Dashcam and protect your side of the story.